That's right, they're gonna pay you just to learn about their project. What you do with that is up to you. I'm gonna show you guys how to get 42% on your money today, right now. Like literally, at the end of this video, you're gonna be able to put $100 in and have $142. No tricks, nothing that I'm selling you, just trying to make you guys some extra money. So now the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go down into the comments section below. You're gonna go ahead, you're gonna find this link that says get $10 free in Bitcoin. Just gonna click on that link. Then it's gonna take you to Coinbase. Literally all you have to do is sign up, put in all of your information, and you're going to get $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto, which just means put $100 in, you're going to get $10 in free Bitcoin. There's the first 10%. Now you've got your first $10, 10% already. Next, what you're gonna do is go into Coinbase, and you're gonna look here on the left-hand side. You're gonna find the Learn and Earn tab. Click on that Learn and Earn tab, and after you click on that Learn and Earn tab, you literally can earn free money in crypto. So what we do here is we can just start a lesson with this one called fetch.ai. And what you do is you just go ahead and start the lesson. It's basically like a couple of YouTube videos. You take a quiz and whatever, and then at the end of the quiz, you make a couple dollars. Boom. I just made $1 in FET. So now what you're going to want to do is go through all of these. There's $3 here, $3 here, $4 here. We got $3 more in AMP. We got $10 in XLM. We got $9 in Comp. At the end of the day, this gives you $32 in free cryptocurrency that you now have. So now that $10 that you got at the beginning for going down and clicking my link below, plus the $32 of Learn and Earn money, gives you $42 for your original $100, and now you have $142 worth of crypto, and you're ready and on your way. At any point, you can sell out those other cryptocurrencies if you don't really like them and you want to buy more, like say Bitcoin or Ethereum or something. And if nothing else, you just keep it and you have some exposure into some new crypto projects. Now, my recommendation for those of you that are very new to crypto, and this is maybe even your first time even thinking about getting into it, is to keep researching and learning. Of course, take free things when they're offered. Why not take some free money? But when you start to put in your own money later on, make sure you understand the projects. The best way to understand things is to follow channels like this. And actually, if you could subscribe to this channel, that would be awesome. But keep researching, keep your eyes open, try to see what people are saying, and try to take a bunch of pieces of information and make your own decision. Because I'm not a financial advisor, and I don't claim to be, but I will tell you the things that I'm doing and the things that I'm comfortable with. So if you want to learn more about certain projects, this is a great channel to learn from. Every week I drop at least one video, usually 2 or 3. So if you subscribe, that's what you can expect from me. So if you do me a favor, comment down in the comment section which project you'd like to learn more about. I'd love to get you up to speed and help you with your research. And lastly, I have to talk about it. If you guys like the shirt that I'm wearing, or most of the time the shirts that I wear in my videos, they're from a company called Fresh Clean Tees, and I'm going to go ahead and link them down below. I can't talk about these shirts enough. For me, it's hard to find a certain shirt that's going to fit me perfectly, and these shirts are awesome. So these are the only shirts that I wear that are this style. And so I got a link for you guys, my followers. If you click that link below, you get 15% off at Fresh Clean Tees. I promise you, you're not going to wear a different shirt again. So that's all I got for you today. Just wanted to make a quick short video to help you guys make a little extra money and teach you guys about the resources at your fingertips. See you on the next video.